Okay, so I had an idea really quick. What I'm going to do is make some candles for this, but like 4 or 5 candles that are sitting on top of a nice block on top of the table. So to do that, what I'm going to do is open up, actually I could probably just do this one. I'm going to steal this leg off this table and bring it to the top of the tabletop here. And I think what I'm going to do is just kind of bring it in like so. Go to the top here, kind of flatten it down some like this. And then over here in the top view, bring it down like that. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer like this. Okay. So now we have that. I'm going to center the pivot. I'm going to bring it around here. I'm going to select both of these wine glasses and move them off to the side here. We may put a bottle there in a minute, I'm not sure. Alright, so we have that. Now one good thing about this is that we can steal the candles that we've already done. So I'm going to lower this so that it sits on top here of the table. And you can see one side isn't chamfered at all. This side right here. I'm going to zoom in on that side. Hit F4 so I can see what I'm doing. And yeah, you can see that's not chamfered at all. So I'll select this, click that, and hit chamfer. Click OK. And now we have that chamfered, so it's kind of a little bit better. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go to File, Merge, and I'm going to find the one with the candles in it, and hit Open, and go to Candle Piece, OK, and use Scene Material. There they are off over here to the side. So I'm going to open this group, and I'm going to take this candle right here out of it. So I'm just going to actually just select that candle and take it out. Hit Detach and delete everything else. Take this candle and I'm going to maneuver it into place right around here and just scale it down to fit right here. So maybe we can get like 3 or 4. Let's have it sit right on top there. Something like that. And P for perspective, hit Z to zoom in on it. And then we have that. Yeah, that'll work. Hit F4 so I can see what I'm doing. And if we were to actually apply a turbo smooth to that, what would it look like? Pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to turn that turbo smooth off. And I'm going to drag out another one. Actually, I'm going to do 2 of them. Alright. Hit front view with that. Grab these 2 and just move them so I can see what I'm doing. And these look pretty spaced, a little even. I'm actually going to make this one a little bigger than the other 2. And just to make sure it's not the same exact size, I'll make that a little bigger. I'm going to go like that. Alright. I'm going to click this box, and instead of scaling it, because I don't want to ruin the chamfer on it, I'll just scale this out a little bit like that, and then move it into place. These are candles that really wouldn't be lit on the table. It's just there for looks. Alright, so we have that. We'll move them kind of behind here like that. And then maybe on the other side we can have like a little like square or rectangular vase that will house some kind of plant or branches that will hang over. And I think also in the dining room there might be track lighting or some kind of light that hangs down from the ceiling, so that will add something to that room as well. But okay, we added some candles there. It gives a little bit, and in the next vid we'll add one more thing to really set this apart. Maybe a plant thing, or some of those bowls that are stacked on top of each other. So stick around to the next one.